Husqvarna unveils new generation TC85 for 2025. Introduction and key features. Husqvarna Mobility has announced the 2025 TC85, showcasing their dedication to high-performance, two-stroke minicycles. This new model includes a redesigned chassis that significantly enhances handling and stability, along with an updated engine that improves low to mid-range power. Other updates include a new WP shock, lighter swing arm, and ergonomic bodywork, all aimed at improving the on-track experience for young riders. Additionally, new graphics align the TC85 with Husqvarna's full-size models, giving it a modern and unified appearance. Engine and performance enhancements. The 2025 TC85 builds on the success of its predecessor, which triumphed in the 2023 FIM Junior Motocross World Championship. The new model features a refined frame geometry for improved cornering and stability. Engine upgrades include a new cylinder head, spark plug, ignition, and exhaust, along with modified settings in the Keihin carburettor. The engine's rotation is adjusted 3 degrees upwards at the front, enhancing weight distribution and performance in cornering and jumping scenarios. Chassis and ergonomic improvements. The swing arm, now 300 grams lighter due to an improved casting process, works with the new frame and WP XACT shock to reduce the overall height of the TC85. This allows for better rider movement and control. The redesigned ergonomic features, such as new footrests, handlebars, and a lower seat, provide an effortless riding experience, making the new TC85 more accessible and easier to handle for young riders. Technical highlights. Revised engine. Delivers significant power boost from low to mid-range. New frame. Enhanced geometry for better stability and handling. New swing arm. Lighter and more rigid due to updated casting process. WP XACT rear shock. Shorter travel for improved balance and stability. New bodywork. Ergonomically designed for youth riders. Updated graphics. Modern, unified look matching full-size models. Adjustable WP XACT forks. Optimized performance and low weight. MAXXCROSS MXST tires. Excellent traction and stability. Dual engine maps. Ensures performance and reliability in all conditions. Formula brakes with Galfer discs. Superior stopping power. MIBA hydraulic clutch system. Consistent action and durability. High grip seat cover. Provides maximum comfort and control. Black Excel rims and CNC machined hubs. Low unsprung weight and high strength. Accessories and availability. To further enhance the TC85's performance, Husqvarna offers a selection of technical accessories, including competition-focused components for both the engine and chassis. The functional off-road apparel collection provides riders with comfortable, safe, and stylish gear to maximize their performance on the track. Price and release. The 2025 TC85 will be available worldwide starting July 2024 at authorized Husqvarna Mobility dealerships. Availability may vary by country. For specific details on pricing and availability, customers should contact their national Husqvarna Mobility subsidiary or importer.